Hey everybody, it's Erin here from TechGadgetsCanada.com. I have my hands on the brand new Pixel Buds Pro. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video here for you while I prepare the full review. I thought you guys might want a quick preview of what's inside the package. Let's take a look. So the Pixel Buds Pro look quite similar to the Pixel Buds 2, which I reviewed a year or two ago. I forget now how long ago it was. These ones have a little pop of color that we're going to see. This color is lemongrass, and this is one of the newer shades. Kind of a neat way to do the colorway there with the color just on top of the buds. The buds themselves, in this version anyway, are black. Super smooth lines, very soft feel, and actually surprisingly easy to grip and grab. Let's take a look at what else you get in the package here. There's a tiny little lipstick tube with 2 additional sets of ear tips so you can get a perfectly customized fit, and you get your requisite instruction manual and other paperwork. You will definitely want to check out my full review of the Google Pixel Buds Pro right here on the channel. It's Erin Lawrence TV.